How to schedule posts on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can schedule posts and videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your TikTok account. You will open it up on your laptop, on your mobile phone. So it's the same even if you want to use it on your mobile phone, laptop, or PC. So for the purpose of the video, I have opened it up on my laptop. So you can see this is TikTok, and I'll show you how you can schedule posts on TikTok. It's really easy to do. So first, you can upload your TikTok for whatever TikTok you have, and we need to be consistent on TikTok, right? To get famous and to have a good profile. And sometimes we are busy. So today I'll show you how we can actually schedule our posts like for whatever day you want to and whatever time you want to add. So if you have a business account on TikTok, so once you get to the upload page on your mobile phone or even on your laptop, you will actually get the option to schedule posts right here. But if you do not have that option, then you can use a third party tool. So you can go to buffer.com. Buffer.com is a social media manager, completely free to sign up for, and I personally use it. It's a really good platform. Buffer helps you build an audience organically, and it helps you connect to your TikTok and to your Instagram as well, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever social media you have. So you will just sign up. I will log into my Buffer. So you can see this is buffer.com. We have publishing, analytics, engagement, and start page. So we will go to the publish section right here, and it will allow me to actually publish my post and schedule it. So you just have to select any kind of date from here and you will be able to schedule your post. You can see, just add a post right here. But before that, you will have to connect your TikTok. So I'll go to the manage channels, and then we have to click on connect channel TikTok, and just connect your TikTok account to your Buffer. Once it's connected, you will click right here on the date and just enter whatever you want to. I can also create for Facebook if I like, and for my TikTok too. We have to select a date and time whenever we want to post, and this way we can not only schedule our posts on TikTok, we can also keep track of our analytics and our engagement that we get on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to schedule posts on TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.